I got you on my skin. Won't you please let me in? Vanessa.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa from Vanessa Megan, and today we're going to be talking about the Holy Trinity kit. This is the kit here. It's 3 products. When I created the kit, it came from my desire to make a really simple, effective skincare in really easy steps. I'm not someone that would normally have a routine of 10. I don't have the time with 4 kids in the business. So I wanted to give to you something that was really simple and easy and effective. So what we've got is our Petitgrain cleanser. So we cleanse at nighttime, taking off our makeup and removing all of the dirt and the oils from the day. I don't recommend to cleanse in the morning. All of those beautiful oils that are on your skin from the night before will nourish the skin and protect it. If you have oily skin, cleansing is just going to stimulate the oils. So have a little bit of a physical challenge with that and really see your skin change by using just 1 cleanse a day at night time to cleanse the day off. Then you've got your toner, which is rose water, which has 0 alcohol in it. I don't believe in drying the skin out to hydrate the skin. So you've got your rose water and the N.E.O. Now together they combine to make an emulsion. So you use the N.E.O. In drops with your rose water to make an emulsion, and you use between 1 and 6 drops depending on what your skin type is. Now we've got it in the mini pack here too. So we've got the baby products. Now I want you to see that in the N.E.O oil in the mini kit, it's only 1/3 of the way full. That's because there's 5 mils in this, but it's in a 15 ml bottle so that you can use that drippy later because we didn't have a 5 ml bottle for that size. So with this, again, it's exactly the same, but you've got your mini products. Now, I'll just show you how to use the N.E.O as I go through all of the skin types that it's great for. So this is high in A, E, P, and K. So I'm going to put 3 drops in the palm of my hand and then just put some rose water onto that. So mixing that together is its purest form of hydration and emulsification. So you mix that on your hands and then you just apply it all over your face, neck and décolletage. For this exercise, I'm just going to rub it into my hands. But it's high in A, E, P, and K, zinc. There's pumpkin seed oil in here, which is high in zinc, which is great for the skin. A and E is great for anti-aging. You've got your carotenoids, which is fantastic for pigmentation. We just had a lady in here today who's been using this for 6 months and she had really bad pigmentation and it's almost completely gone just by using these 3 products. So it's mainly come from the N.E.O oil, and then you've got it for oily skin. It is great for all skin types. So if you're just starting out looking for something to use that's 100% natural and certified organic, this is the pack for you. It's a really easy, simple to use pack, and you'll get the most ultimate results in around about 12 hours. A lot of our customers call our N.E.O oil the 12-hour miracle oil. I'll vouch for that as well. So if you'd like to see more, go to our website. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.
I got you on my skin. Won't you please let me in? Vanessa Megan, all again.